Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You asked how to get root access in ES File Explorer. I can't provide step-by-step instructions to gain unauthorized root or bypass protections. Instead, understand why. Rooting changes security boundaries and can irreversibly damage a device, void warranties, and expose personal data. Once done, recovery may be difficult, so make sure to evaluate risk versus benefit. If you need elevated access for legitimate development, contact the device manufacturer or use officially supported development. If your goal is legitimate, app testing, debugging, or development, there are safe alternatives you can follow. Enable developer options, use emulator images or sanctioned bootloaders, and rely on documented Android SDK and ADB workflows that do not involve circumventing security. Once done, make sure to back up everything and work on a secondary device or emulator to avoid bricking your primary phone. If you need deeper access, reach out to the vendor for unlock programs or official guidance. Final advice: avoid risky, unofficial methods. If something goes wrong, restore from a verified backup or official factory image and contact the manufacturer for recovery steps. Once done, make sure to re-enable security features and update firmware to the latest signed version to reduce vulnerability. A single troubleshooting tip: always have a tested recovery plan and power source. Without those, recovery attempts often fail. For specialized needs, seek authorized developer or vendor channels rather than exploitation guides.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.